Nestled in the remote Himalayas, Mount Kailash is revered as the spiritual axis of the entire universe by four great religions: Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Pun. In a profound act of devotion, its summit remains unclimbed. Instead, pilgrims embark on a sacred circuit around its mighty base. This Kora is more than a trek. It is one of Asia's most transformative journeys, a pilgrimage believed to purify the soul and cleanse a lifetime of sins. Be prepared, for the path is a true test of both spirit and body, challenging you with high altitudes and rugged, breathtaking terrain.
And by the way, there are lots and lots of fans who are asking when is the best time to visit holy Mount Kailash, and I would say May to September is the best time. It's not so hot, not so cold, the weather is so comfortable. But if you are thinking to come here during April or October, it's cold, but the view is awesome because you'll get lots and lots of snow during April or October.
However, many consider September to early October the crown jewel of the year. The air is crisp and the views of the mountains' majestic face are nothing short of breathtaking. It is essential to avoid the deep winter from November to April, when extreme cold blankets the region. The path vanishes under snow and ice, and the guest houses close. The mountain rests during this time. And for the safest and most comfortable pilgrimage, we highly recommend planning your journey for the golden months between May and September, or the very first half of October. And if you feel the call of Kailash and have any questions at all, we are here to guide you. Please don't hesitate to reach out, and we hope to have the honor of welcoming you to the holy Mount Kailash.